So we live in the North Country. There's potholes and so on. So a good thing to do is check your ball joints, check your tie rods, check all that stuff. Make sure everything's kosher for the winter months. We don't want no issues in the winter.
My name's Chris. We're here with Steve Birch at Birch Motors at 1086 6th Avenue in Hudson Falls. And we're looking to talk about winterizing your vehicle. Hello, Steve.
Good morning, Chris.
How are you today?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
We're here to just find out and let people know if they're just completely automotive, non-competent, whatever you want to say.
Right.
What do you need to do to get your vehicle ready, your car, truck ready for the winter?
Right. First thing you need to do is set up an oil change appointment with us. We'll do a multi-point inspection. We'll check tie rods. We'll check ball joints. We'll check, make sure everything's tight, everything's kosher for winter.
Right.
We'll check coolant. Make sure washer fluid's good, wipers are working as designed, blades are good, and so on. It's just it's an all-around check of the vehicle, make sure everything's functioning.
How long does it take usually to do that? It depends on the vehicle that it is, I suppose.
Yeah, with an oil change, you could be here max of an hour.
Okay.
We'll walk you around the vehicle, show you. Nothing to be hid. I mean, everything's all wide in the open. It's up in the air. You can look yourself, make sure something's wrong.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll take care of it and make it right.
And you've probably come across people sometimes that don't do that until it's too late sometimes.
Yeah, usually it comes in when it's broken.
When it's broken, yeah. Batteries too. Batteries are important.
Yeah, we can do a battery test, make sure you have the right amperage, make sure it's putting on enough volts. We'll check the alternator. We'll completely go through the vehicle right in front of you and show you what we do.
All right, Steve.
All right.
Where is Birch Motors located?
We are just up the road from Falls Farm and Garden, 1086 6th Avenue. We're in the same building as Adirondack
Pavement Coating.
Pavement Coating. He likes to do pavement coating. So he's the one who made our stripes, so the customer stripes. So he's a good guy. We're right in the same building on the right-hand side. Our office is off to the right back corner of the building.
Okay.
All right.
Stay tuned for more with Birch Motors.
Thank you, Chris.
Very much.
Always a pleasure.
Thanks.
See you.